Here's something that makes me unreasonably angry. It's that standardized tests make students that I care about feel like they're not smart, even though they are. So let's talk about this standard and how you can defeat it on the next upcoming state exam. First, let's review how parentheses are used in numeric expressions. If you see a number outside of parentheses like this, that means you need to multiply the number outside by the number inside. So this means 3 times 5, this means 2 times 10, and the parentheses are the things that go around the 5 and the 10. Background information number 2. Every fraction that you know and love in the world can be thought of as a division problem. 1/2, that's just 1 divided by 2. 6/7, that's just 6 divided by 7. 14/2, that's just 14 divided by 2. 16/8, that's just 16 divided by 8. Works every time. You also need to know about powers. A power has a base and an exponent. So this power would mean 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This number tells you the number you're multiplying by itself. This number tells you how many times you multiply it. Beware though, 3 to the 4th power does not equal 3 times 4, and a lot of people think it does when they look at it quickly. PEMDAS is a big ol' lie. Here's Exhibit A. People think that it means parentheses, exponents, multiplication, then division. No, because in this expression, division actually gets calculated before multiplication. Once you get to multiplication and division, you do it left to right. So in this case, we would do 8 divided by 2 first, then multiply it by 4. So multiplication does not always come before division. What else is a lie about PEMDAS? Addition doesn't always come before subtraction. Look here, 10 minus 2 plus 3. Here we would do 10 minus 2 first because it comes first when you read from left to right. Multiplication isn't always first, and neither is addition. So let's put it all together and think about some patterns that you're going to see on the exam. There are going to be 2 types of problems that they're going to ask you on this exam. One, it will be a long expression like this where you've got one string of numbers and you've got to keep doing operations until you get it down to one single number. In this case, you would start in the parentheses and you would do 5 to the 2nd power first, which is 5 times 5, that's 25. Then you would add 3 to it. 3 times 25 is 28. Then you would multiply it by 4. 4 times 28 is 4 times 25 plus 12, which is 112, minus 6, 106. Shazam. Then over here, the second one, it's going to be a messy fraction where you've got a numerator that you've got to evaluate and a denominator. Here's what you do there. You do the numerator first. So 3 squared is 9, and then 5 times 3 is 15. 9 plus 15 is 24. I'm going to keep that up there, and then I'm going to go look at the denominator. 2 to the 3rd power is 2 times 2 times 2. That's 8, because 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is 8. So we have 24 as a numerator, we've got 8 as a denominator. Wait a minute, didn't we say something about fractions? We sure did, they're division problems. So that means that if we have 24 over 8, we can think of that as 24 divided by 8, and that is 3. So 6EE1, you can write and evaluate numerical expressions with whole number exponents. You can do this. You got it.